C&M Loosink Engineering is regarded as a leader in their chosen field of design and manufacturing in Australia. Loosink Engineering are specialists in providing world-class manufacturing solutions based around core competitiveness in precision engineered and machined components. Located in Wollongong, New South Wales, allows easy access to many international export routes constantly required by Loosink Engineering to service its broad customer base. One of the products that we at C&M Loosink Engineering manufacture is the demmeler three-dimensional modular clamping system.
My name's George Wilkinson and I represent C&M Loosink Engineering. We manufacture the demmeler 3D modular clamping system. The table's been manufactured from a grade 350 structural steel. It's 25 millimeters thick. It's been fully fabricated and machined all over. It has a grid on it that's 100 by 100. It also has the holes and a grid pattern as well. These are manufactured by drilling a hole and then accurately boring the hole. When we do that, it gives a very precise measurement and location. Now we'll show you some of the benefits of this system. This is a positioning clamping bolt, known as a PC bolt. When used with other parts and accessories on the system, this will give you accurate locations and measurements. This is a key to the system. To achieve a measurement on the table using a grid, use the universal stop in conjunction with the PC bolts. Locate two bolts and tighten. It'll locate right on the line. The ball bearings at the bottom will centralize the bolt, will centralize the actual stop. So here you've got, from there to there is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 millimeters. To get another measurement other than the 100 millimeter, you can turn this round and you've got 25 millimeters. So that's 525. 550, 575, 600 millimeters. You can also get 90 degrees or 45 degrees just using the universal stop and two PC bolts. If a smaller increment is required, use the universal stop with the bolts again. You can also introduce other accessories. This one here, if I wanted to move this here forward 1 millimeter, this line's 500 millimeters, so if I want to make it 1 millimeter more, I take a spacer. The spacers come in 1 millimeter increments from 1 to 5, then it goes all the way up to 50. You can use a combination of spacers or one spacer. That's a 1 millimeter. So put that in. Lock that down. Just before it locks, pull that forward. You've got your spacer in here, and you lock it down. Remove the spacer, and you can take everything away, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 and 1 millimeter. Once you've located your angle or your stop at 501 millimeters, just lock it down. Use the Allen key. Then you can take another stop, and this is a good benefit of this system. You can create from an edge a datum. You lock that in place, and from here you've got a gauge. So when you put your workpiece in, if it fits, everything's okay. If it doesn't, you know there's something wrong. So it'll pick up errors in your workpiece as you're building your job.